Hey, it's Peter from Piss Imported, and today I'm going to show you how to make a rear hub holding tool. Really easy project, something you have to do. If you don't have a rear hub holding tool, you need to do this. There are rear hub holding tools on the market that you can purchase, but if you need one immediately, they're really easy to make. I made this one years ago, and I've used it for Vespas and Lambrettas. It works great. First thing you want to do is go to the home improvement store or hardware store and get yourself a piece of 1 inch by 3/16 thickness steel. And that's what this is. You want to at least get about a strip of about 18 inches or longer. I always buy the longest kind, and then I keep scrap steel around for whatever projects I like to do or whatever. In case I need to make something or a tool or whatever. Anyway, first cut is this piece from here to here, about at least 12 inches, could go longer, doesn't really matter, it's up to you. Next cut is this particular piece here, from here to here. End to end is gonna be 5 5/8 of an inch. So this particular piece is 5 5/8 end to end. And then you gotta drill your holes. These holes here are 4 7/8 on center. And that means like to the middle of the hole and to the middle of the hole, that's on center. So center to center, 4 7/8. You can see I have that in both sections, on both pieces. And then go to your discount tool supplier. For us in the US, it's Harbor Freight, and they sell step drill bits. Generally, you can pick these up for $8 or $10 for a set of 3. They are the greatest thing you can buy. I've had my set for years, and as long as you use cutting oil when you drill into steel, they don't seem to ever wear out. So, and with that, you can go ahead and drill a 3/8 hole. And then if you go a little bit farther with the step drill bit, you can bevel it to get rid of the burrs. You can see I did that on all of mine. So go ahead and drill those out at 3/8. And then for the middle part here, you just need a bolt that fits in there. So, you know, go to the hardware store and get yourself a bolt. I used as you can see, and I would recommend you use a lock nut for this. And that's because once you have your pivots like this, you can have it a little bit loose, but it's not going to come undone. So, because you need it to move like this for putting it on hubs. And then once you have it all done like that, you also, as you can see, I rounded the edges off right here and here. And that is to clip it around to go around the hub itself, like that. And then, you know, once we put it on the hub, and I'll show you that, it'll go like this. We'll put a couple of nuts on, and then this actually hits the case. And that's what stops it from the rear hub from turning and allows you to torque it down to, you know, 120 or 150 foot-pounds, which is an insane amount to have to torque it to, which is why you absolutely need one of these. So go out there and make one, and now I'm going to show you how to, in my next video, I'll show you how to actually torque the rear hub using it.